Hi everyone. So today I would like to discuss about a game-changing technology that's reshaping how we handle data. That's the autonomous database. So in a rapidly transforming world through digital advancements, the importance of more intelligent, self-managing database has skyrocketed. So today I'm excited to walk through how artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing database management by highlighting the main perks and how these databases stand out as compared to the traditional ones. So at its core, an autonomous database is a groundbreaking shift in managing data. So it uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate tasks that database administrator used to do by hand. So this means tuning the database to keep it faster, keep data safe, and fixing any issues that happens automatically. So making these databases efficient, secure, and reliable. So let's dive into what makes autonomous database so unique. So imagine having a system that does all the hard work for you. So it ensures the database runs smoothly, keeps your data safe from hackers, and fixes itself whenever there is a problem. So it can set itself up, adjusting its setting for better performance, and even decide when it needs more resources to keep running smoothly. So all of this without stopping your work. So the benefits are enormous, like need to save money, always being available, accessible for anyone to use, and top-notch security. So similarly, simplifying how we manage data, ability to grow as needed, instant analysis of complex data, then is keeping data safe and making sure that it always runs fast. So when we compare autonomous databases to traditional ones, the difference is very much clear. So old school databases must need manual work to keep them running well and safety. So this would be better at adapting or scaling up with much planning. So on the other hand, autonomous databases are built for today's cloud world, being super flexible and cost effective, while also AI to stay on top of their game. So AI isn't just a tiny part of these databases, it makes them stand out. So AI helps these databases tune themselves for the best performance, predict and prevent problems before they happen, analyze data in real time, smartly manage resources, quickly fix any issues, and even ensure queries run as efficient as possible. So further security is a big deal today, and autonomous databases are designed to keep data safe, especially from insider threats. So they use smart AI to watch for unusual activities, lock down data access, keep everything encrypted, stay up to date with the latest security fixes, and even automatically protect against internal risk. So in conclusion, autonomous databases are a giant leap forward in managing data. So thanks to AI and ML, they are very intelligent, self-sufficient, and secure. So as the world becomes increasingly data-driven, adopting technologies like this will be essential for anyone looking to stay ahead in the digital race. So thank you for your time. Thank you very much.